And Curtis Smith, born the 17th of February 1985, is a Filipino actress, television host, entrepreneur, and model. Known for her versatile work in film and television productions, she is one of the most successful and highest-paid Filipino actresses of her generation. She is a recipient of numerous accolades, including to FAMA's Awards, to Metro Manila Film Festival Awards, a Luna Award, and for Box Office Entertainment Awards. She has been named multiple times by Tatler magazine as one of the most influential Filipinos in Asia. Curtis is one of the hosts of the long-running noontime variety show It's Showtime from 2009 to present. For her role in the romantic drama In Your Eyes 2010, she won the Luna Award for Best Supporting Actress. She also won the FAMA's Award for Best Actress for her portrayal in the film No Other Woman 2011, which broke the record as the highest-grossing Filipino film at that time. Curtis was appointed by the UNICEF as the Celebrity Advocate for Children in 2015 and has served as the National Ambassador of the agency since 2019. Curtis's films have collectively earned Philippine peso 1.87 billion, making her one of the highest-grossing Filipino box office stars of all time. She is the most followed Filipino celebrity on Twitter and the second most followed Filipino celebrity on Instagram. In 2018, she was named as one of the most promising Asian acts by the Variety magazine and the International Film Festival and Awards. In 2020, Forbes Asia included her on their list of 100 digital stars in Asia-Pacific region. Curtis became the fourth Filipino to be honored with a Madame Tussauds wax figure in 2024 in Hong Kong. And Oyales Curtis Smith was born in Yarrawonga, Victoria, Australia, the daughter of Carmen Theta Oyales, a Filipina of Chinese and Spanish ancestry from Bolinao, Pangasinan, and James Ernest Curtis Smith, an Australian lawyer of German, Italian, Irish, and English ancestry. Her father married Oyales in 1982. Her younger sister, Jasmine, is also an actress. On their father's side, they had a half-sister named Claire who died in 2007 due to a cardiovascular disease at 4 months old. In 1997, at the age of 11, Curtis, who is half Filipino, visited her mother's relatives in the Philippines with her family. During this trip, a talent scout approached her, inviting her to enter a children's beauty pageant. Despite initial skepticism from her father, Curtis, with her mother's support, decided to explore opportunities in the entertainment industry. Without her father's knowledge, she began attending various talent agencies. Eventually, the family made the decision to stay permanently in the Philippines. At the time, Curtis faced the challenge of not being able to speak or understand Tagalog, prompting her to enroll in language classes. In March 2015, Curtis became a celebrity advocate for UNICEF Philippines, having been a supporter of the organization since 2009 as an advocate. She visited parts of Leyte that were devastated by Typhoon Yolanda in 2013 to meet with children and families affected by the typhoon and observe recovery operations. In October 2015, Curtis launched a marathon called the Heroes for Children Run to benefit UNICEF's 1,000 Days of Life campaign. In February 2016, Curtis launched her first written work, a children's book entitled Anita, the Duckling Diva, in collaboration with UNICEF Philippines. In September 2017, Curtis launched her makeup line in the Philippines, BLK Cosmetics. In 2020, Curtis launched Recess, an activewear brand, with friend Isabel Daza. In 2021, she also launched Tilly Dolly, a babywear brand she co-owns with sister-in-law Solen Husaf. Curtis dated several actors in the past, namely Chubby Del Rosario, Oil Boy Sato, Paula Araneta, Richard Gutierrez, Luis Monthano, and Sam Milby. In December 2016, Curtis became engaged to her longtime boyfriend, restaurateur and food blogger Erwan Husaf. They were married on the 12th of November 2017 in Queenstown, New Zealand. Curtis gave birth to their child, Dahlia Amelie, on the 2nd of March 2020. The name Dahlia is said to be taken from the name of Curtis' character in her 1997 debut film, Magic Kingdom, Ang Alamat Ng de Mortis. Political views. Curtis supported the Akbayan party list in the 2025 Philippine House of Representatives elections. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.